When we eliminate the furnace from that combined appliance vent, where we had, say, a furnace and a water heater, where previous it was a naturally vented furnace or even a mid-efficiency furnace, we need to put a liner insert in that masonry chimney. And a lot of times when we go from a naturally vented furnace to a mid-efficiency furnace, that typically requires a liner to be installed in the chimney, because as these appliances are becoming more efficient, the exhaust gases are not as hot. And because they're not as hot, they cool down much easier.